In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club website crashing. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Open a few other websites to confirm your connection is working properly. If necessary, switch to a different network or restart your router before typing the Sam's Club website again. Next up, refresh the browser. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Likewise, click on three dots given at the top right. You'll need to clear cache and cookies of the browser. Navigate to the option settings. Go to privacy and security. Click on site settings. Click on view permission. Now here, search for Sam's Club. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Likewise, check browser extension. Extensions such as ad blockers, shopping assistants, or privacy tools can sometimes interfere with the Sam's Club website, so completely disable those. Also update your browser. Navigate to the option about Chrome. If any updates are available, just update it. Next, try Incognito Mode. For that, click on three dots, select the option New Incognito window. Now head over to the website Sam's Club. Now here it might work. Also, you can switch to a different browser or device. Likewise, you can check the server status. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be restored from their end. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, contact Sam's Club member support. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.